Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It happened between Iron Man and its sequel, Iron Man 2, when Don Cheadle replaced Terrence Howard as James Rhodey Rhodes, otherwise known as War Machine. But when the second movie came around, Marvel reportedly wanted to significantly cut Howard's pay in order to give more money to lead actor Robert Downey Jr.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Although Ruffalo was actually Leterrier's first choice for the Incredible Hulk, Marvel wanted Norton, because he was more famous, and Ruffalo only did smart intellectual films, and while now Ruffalo is synonymous with the Hulk, at the time he was an unconventional choice, because he wasn't a proven leading man in.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.